Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be working on a Frigidaire, also known as a Whirlpool refrigerator. The model number on this one is F as in Frank, R as in Robert, S as in Sam, 6, Henry, Robert, 4, 5, K as in Karate, S as in Sam, 3. And what's going on today, I don't know if you can tell from the picture, but something broke here. This thing's just flopping in the breeze. So we're not getting any water out of this thing. So let's take it apart and see what's going on. Three Phillips head screws. Screw's a bit rotten, and so is the cover apparently. Lift up and out, and there's an electrical connector here. Probably best to unplug the fridge before you do this, but I'm living dangerously today. So just set this cover out of the way. Now there's 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Take those out next. Set those aside. Pull this assembly out gently. And you'll have to pull the water line out. Just this friction fit should come right out, like so. And then there's another electrical connection right here. Disconnect that. And now we have our part. You pretty clearly see the problem. So when things are working correctly, you push back on this. It's supposed to actuate this micro switch right there. But you can see right here, something is broken. So I think I'm going to try a temporary fix. We'll try gluing it, see how long that lasts. But I think I'm also going to order the factory part for this, because in my experience, adhesives just don't hold up that well long term. So I'm going to order the factory part as well. I'll put a link to that in the description. Let's take this out and get it ready for gluing. Put you guys where you can see. So I'm just going to take out these 2 screws that appear to hold it in place. One, 2. And there you can see our 2 broken parts. Got our 2 parts here and here. I got some Loctite super glue. This is the Ultra Gel. Leave a link to that in the description too. It's kind of my go-to super glue. Let me give this a try. So let's squeeze a little bit out onto this part here. Just like so. Put a little bit on the mating part. Hold and wait. Waiting is over. Piece seems to be holding up okay. I'm gonna let that sit for a couple hours, just let that glue cure. While you're waiting, stick a rag in that ice maker opening. Just like so. Decided to wait overnight for the crazy glue to cure. Wasn't in a big rush to do this, so why not, right? Let's reassemble. The new part is $30. It's an expensive piece of plastic in my humble opinion. But I guess it is what it is, right? They got you. Am I just an idiot here? There we go. We'll have to get this spring properly engaged. Yeah, I think that does it. So again, this is just a temporary repair until the new part arrives. I'm not optimistic about this crazy glue holding for too long. In my experience, it doesn't. So that's kind of what we're dealing with right there. Let's reinstall. Hardest part's probably getting this tube back in there. I think the needle nose pliers seem to work pretty well for that. First, we're going to hook up the electrical connection. And if you haven't already done so, now's a great opportunity to clean everything up, because undoubtedly it's probably pretty dirty. At least mine was. There we go. Now you may elect to make that your permanent repair. Maybe you don't want to buy and spend $30 on that stupid piece of plastic, which is fine by me. I'm not here to judge. Be interesting to see how long it lasts though. And maybe I'll leave it in there until it breaks. And just keep the other part on hand, right? Just hooking up the electrical connector on the back here. Only goes in one way. I think all of them only go in one way. There we go. I did order 3 new screws for the bottom as well, because these are all pretty nasty. I'm just going to leave that one in there for now. We'll see how long it lasts. It's about a month later, maybe a little bit over. I'm actually surprised this super glue is still holding up, still kicking. Maybe that's a permanent repair. But yeah, works fine. I'm amazed. So I'm not going to replace this obviously until it breaks, but I'll show you guys the parts in case you just want to replace it and be done with it. So this is the Frigidaire part. I'll leave a link to it in the description, but it comes with that whole paddle, right? There's the front of the bag. Again, link in the description. And I got a couple of screws here too, just to replace those ones that rotted. So yeah, I think this video is going to be a wrap. I'm not going to hold this video until this thing does break. Maybe it never will. If you like this video, please subscribe, stay safe, and thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button too, please. Helps me out a lot.